One of the things we've wanted to improve in Hatchbox for a while is your server metrics and the information about those servers. So you're running Rails applications on, say, DigitalOcean, and you don't really know, are we using too many resources or too few? And we're trying to help improve that. So one of the things we're going to do now is when we set up your servers and update them, we're going to keep track of the CPUs, the RAM, and disk, so we can have that information always up to date whenever you update your servers in Hatchbox. And then when we update the servers and do deployments, we'll also keep track of your disk usage, so we can let you know, hey, you're getting pretty close to running out of disk space. So that'll be helpful. But we've also started integrating with DigitalOcean and their monitoring API, so you can pull in the graphs from DigitalOcean that you're used to seeing inside of a Hatchbox now. And you can see your CPU percentages, your load averages, your memory usage, disk usage, and your bandwidth right here in the Hatchbox UI. We'll be adding this for other hosting platforms that support it. Hetzner has some of these metrics in their monitoring API, so we'll be adding that in the future. And some other cool stuff is coming up very soon along these same lines.